In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grid view in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool for managing data, and the grid view is one of its most fundamental features. So, let's dive right in and learn how to navigate this efficient system to keep your data organized and accessible. First things first, let's locate where to start. When you're in your Airtable base, you'll notice at the top left corner of your screen, there's an option for the current view. This is where you're likely to begin. The current view label will display the name of the view you are currently in, and Airtable offers a host of flexible views, but our focus today is squarely on the grid view. Go ahead and click on this current view label. Doing this will open a drop-down menu showcasing different view options, displaying the variety Airtable offers, like Calendar and Kanban, among others. But for today, simply zero in on the grid view option. Clicking on it instantly transforms your screen. Now you're looking at the default view, a simple yet powerful spreadsheet-like format. What makes grid view so advantageous is its versatility. Not only does it give you a layout similar to spreadsheet applications you might already be familiar with, but it also allows you to perform a range of tasks crucial for effective data handling. You can swiftly organize your records. This is particularly handy when you need to keep everything tidy and accessible. Moreover, the grid view isn't just about viewing data. It empowers you with tools to edit right there on the grid. Whether you need to input new data or update existing entries, the interface supports intuitive clicks and keystrokes, making data management feel seamless. Now, let's talk about filtering. The ability to filter your data can save you a massive amount of time when you're trying to focus on specific datasets. With grid view, setting up a filter is plain sailing. It enables you to display just the information you need and hides the rest, reducing clutter and honing your focus. Similarly, sorting in grid view is quick and easy. You can arrange your records by any field, whether it's to sort alphabetically by name or chronologically by date. This flexibility means your data is not just a static list, it's dynamically organized according to your current needs. Finally, don't forget the management capabilities that grid view offers. Whether you're modifying linked records or adjusting field settings, this view brings multifaceted capabilities directly to your fingertips. Indeed, it's the backbone of monitoring and manipulating the core data in your Airtable bases. In conclusion, mastering the grid view is fundamental to making the most out of Airtable. Whether for a complex database application or a simple project tracker, grid view equips you with the organizational tools needed to maintain clarity and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you now feel more confident navigating the grid view.